Welcome! In this video, you'll learn exactly how to edit your channel photo on WhatsApp, updated for 2025. Whether you want to refresh your channel's look or fix an old picture, these steps will guide you through the process. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Updates tab. This is where you'll find all your channels and recent updates. Now, scroll to find your channel and tap on it. Once you're inside your channel, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three dots, also known as the menu icon. Tap on these three dots to open up more options. From the menu, select Channel Info. This will take you to the page where you can view and edit your channel's details, including the photo. On the Channel Info screen, you'll see your current channel photo. Tap directly on the photo and then tap the edit icon that appears. This will open up your options for changing the picture. Now, you can choose how you want to update your channel photo. You can select a new photo from your gallery, take a fresh picture with your camera, or even pick an emoji or sticker, depending on what fits your channel best. Browse your gallery or snap a new shot, then adjust the image as needed. Most versions of WhatsApp will let you crop or reposition the photo before saving it. Once you've picked the perfect image, tap Done or Save to confirm your choice. Your new channel photo will update instantly, giving your channel a fresh new look for all your followers to see. And that's it. You've successfully edited your channel photo on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your WhatsApp channel.